How to enable personal hotspot on iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick easy steps on how you can enable personal hotspot on your iPhone. Now be it iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 or 16. The process is pretty simple and easy and similar as well. Simply first go ahead and open up settings. Once you have opened up settings, you can see the personal hotspot option. Now I'm unable to enable this here. I'm unable to head into the settings. You can see it says off. To enable it, first you'll have to turn off your Wi-Fi. Once you have turned off Wi-Fi here, make sure to enable your data, and once you have done so, you can see now personal hotspot option is available. You can go ahead and you can enable it. You can change your Wi-Fi password here. You can turn on Wi-Fi, then you can see Wi-Fi password. You can change it here, and you can maximize the compatibility as well. So this is how you can easily enable hotspot. If you want to disable it, simply toggle this off. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.